Installation tutorial. Unscrew the switch at the bottom of the wooden box. Unpack. Remove the fixing rope. Place the machine at the designated right place. Review the plastic cloth with. Connect the power supply. Operation tutorials. The black pipe is connected with the film liquid. The red pipe is connected to the waste liquid recovery tank. Install the paper roll. Inflation and pressurization. Complete the paper roll fixation. Measure the roll width to adjust the caliper distance. Take 30 cm as an example. Adjust the caliper distance of the front and rear roller floors to 30 cm. Put up the paper in the direction of the arrow. Receive the paper in the direction of the arrow. Inflation, pressurization and fixation. Complete the paper roll fixation. Turn on the main power switch. Turn on the UV light switch. Turn on the UV light. Turn on the speed adjustment switch. Turn on the speed adjustment switch. Pressurize the lower roller. Adjust the speed to moderate. Turn on the fluid replenishment switch. Turn on the fan and fluid replenishment switch. Start fluid replenishment. Fully automatic coating and coating. After the film is coated, directly remove the rolled paper. Shut down operation. Turn off the main power supply. Return of film liquid outlet. Wipe the roller with alcohol cloth. Complete shutdown.